Hi, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Hope you're enjoying them so far, and today we have a recipe. Now if you know me, I love to eat. Not sure how to cook though, but you know we've got to try. Anyway, today's menu is chips masala. I used the same oil and saucepan that I used to fry the chips, but I drained out the excess oil to remain with just a little. In this oil, fry onions and then add garlic. Don't let them burn. In the garlic and in the onions, add your spices. I used paprika, black pepper and pilau masala. You want to fry them right in before the tomato paste so that you get all the flavor in. I know the chefs are looking at me like, girl, why are you lying? Anyway, get the tomato paste in and then stir for a few minutes. In this red and rich paste, add all your fries. It was giving the greatest aroma. Anyway, add all your fries and then turn them gently, otherwise they break, and tala. Sprinkle salt and you have masala fries ready. Look at that, the best aroma, the most delicious masala fries that I have ever eaten. If you are a professional chef, comment down below what I missed or what tips that I could use next time. Anyway, do not forget to garnish with parsley or dania and serve hot or with any accompaniment of your choice. Anyway, I got to serve mine with a salad and pork sausages. I hope that this is a meal that you can try out over Christmas with your family. Thank you for watching.